Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to pause your Bumble account. If you want to take a break from Bumble without deleting your account, you can pause it by using the snooze mode feature. Here how you can pause your Bumble account. First, launch the Bumble application on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, you need to tap the gear icon on the upper left corner to access settings. After that, find snooze mode in this option. Tap on it and you will be given options to snooze your account for different time period: 24 hours, 72 hours, a week, or indefinitely. After that, select how long you want to be invisible for. Now select a reason. Bumble may ask you to choose a reason for snooze mode, such as I'm traveling or I need a break or something like that. After selecting the option, your profile will no longer be visible to others during the snooze period, and you won't appear on swipe cues. You can still access the app and chat with existing matches, but new matches won't be able to find your profile. To resume activity, simply log into the application and turn off snooze mode on your profile settings. It is a great way to take a break from Bumble without losing your profile or matches. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.